If you're looking to purchase a home in a high-price market, a jumbo loan could be a great choice. A jumbo loan allows you to borrow more than conventional or government loans, which have lower loan limits set by regulators. Let's look at some of the benefits of jumbo loans. Some jumbo loans allow you to purchase a home with as little as 10% down payment. That means you could finance 90% of the purchase to spend less upfront. You'll only need a credit score of 680 to qualify. And jumbo loan amounts go up to $5 million in some areas, helping you afford the house you want. Jumbo loans are also useful beyond home purchases. Considering constructing a new home or renovating one you've already purchased? With a jumbo construction to permanent loan, you can have a custom home built seamlessly, combining the cost of construction and the land. Or, with a jumbo renovation loan, transform your current house into your dream home without pulling funds from your liquid assets. Are you ready to talk with a mortgage professional about jumbo financing? With branches across the country and over 30 years of mortgage experience, Homebridge can help. Contact Homebridge today to learn how jumbo loans can help you reach your goals.